how to add or see a card in Apple Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add or see a card in Apple Wallet. Alright, so let's begin. So first of all, open your settings in your iPhone. Then from settings, simply scroll down until you see this option Wallet and Apple Pay. So simply click on that and then this will show all the cards and the accounts you have added to your Apple Wallet. So to add new card, simply click on this add card option and then this will display two options. First is debit or credit card. Second is travel card. So to add your ORCA card, simply click on this second option. And from here you can simply scan your card to automatically fill up all the details by itself. Or you can simply click on this enter card details manually and then this will allow you to enter your card details by yourself. You need to enter your name and your card number and then simply click on this next button. And once you do that, your card will be added to your Apple Wallet. So that's basically how you can add ORCA card in Apple Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.